Welcome back to another cleanup. Today we are in a nature reserve and unfortunately some teenagers built a fort right over there and they trashed the whole place. There's trash everywhere and yeah, today we want to clean the mess up and make this place beautiful again. So here's their fire pit where they burn all their trash, and the trash that they don't burn is just spread all over the place here. And yeah, there are glass bottles, aluminium cans, there's molten plastic. Yeah, they're just leaving behind this toxic waste here. And the problem with this is that with the wind all this trash gets spread across the forest here, and when it rains all the toxins are absorbed into the soil and yeah, into the river right next to it. Here's a battery.
Ne? You cannot say it otherwise. Ja, wir werden hier noch zum Brandforensiker hier.
Ja.
Guck dir das an, das ist alles hier dieses Glasscheiße.
All sorts of trash.
And a broom.
And a broom, yeah. It's amazing. It's very diverse. Here we have old bike hangers just dumped here in the middle of the forest. So our plan right now is that we might be able to, especially with this one, put the heavy trash bags in there with all the glass that's yeah, gotten quite heavy, and we might be able to use them for our transport. Oh, there's the tent pole. Light bulbs. I even found an earring here. It's so disgusting. The whole ground over there, it's all littered with trash. It's all those little tiny pieces here, they're everywhere. Here's another tent pole, something else, an old zipper, parts of an old balloon, a bottle cap. It's the whole ground, it's everywhere. They have no regard for this place. They're just trashing it. And here you can see that they are digging up the forest floor and yeah, building those terraces here, I guess to sleep. Yeah, they're sleeping here and trashing everything. Another one. Here's a bike stand we just pulled out of the fire pit. It's a trash burning factory here. It's incredible. Here we have a wire fence. I don't know why they brought it here, but it's going out of the nature reserve now. We're already at 2 bags, and I think the bike hanger will be really handy to transport everything out of here. Something else they did, they sprayed the whole trees here. I don't know why someone would do that, but they spray painted stars on all the trees here. It's so incredibly stupid. I will never understand that. Here's another star, and if they would just use natural materials, that wouldn't be a problem. In a few decades there wouldn't be any trace left of this. But here you can see the remains of a plastic tarp that they probably used to cover this thing up, and will be here in 100 years still. So yeah, the way they treat this place, that's what's wrong. We also found the spray can that they used to spray paint all the trees here in the fire pit. Here we have more remains of them. I don't know why, but they brought motor oil here, and bitumen. This stuff is used to seal up roofs. I don't know what they're trying to build here, but yeah, this is also going. Nature reserve. Here we have a natural dam, and I think this might be the sheet, or one of the sheets that they used to cover their fort over there. There's the rest of the light bulbs that they use at their fort.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
LED light bulbs.
Filled with water.
Here's the second bike hanger with their, I guess, sleeping mats. So this is going out too. As you can see, we tried our best to disassemble the fire pit and get all the trash out to discourage them from ever doing that again. We'll see if that works. If you're wondering why that space looks so empty, it's because they chopped down and cut down all the bushes and little trees that were growing here, there to use as building material and firewood. So yeah, here you can see a tree stump. There's one here, here's another one. They cut them all down to build their little fort, which is not okay in a nature reserve. Some leftover nails. We're trying to get everything as close back to nature as possible, so we move all the little fragments here, and and more alcohol. Spring is coming. A fork.
You want the fork?
So we are heading back now. There are 2 trailers full with trash, and here's the fort. So we did our best to clean everything up, especially the fire pit over there with all the trash, plastic, molten plastic that was there. This definitely shouldn't be here in a nature reserve, and we tried our best to get it back to nature as close as possible, and I think we did a pretty good job. So we're loading up the rest now, the containers with tools, motor oil, it's still full.
Very fat
And
bucket of bitumen.
It's used to seal up roofs, and as you can see by the symbol, this should also not be in a nature
More than
reserve.
half full.
Yeah.
And heavy.